Hello amazing people of O2L, it is Trevor Moran and the theme this week is Travel Week. So before we hop into this, I just wanted to tell you that I'm releasing an EP soon. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much just a mini album. It's going to be on iTunes. I said this before, but just want you to know. If you want to know the release date or album artwork, you can just follow me on Twitter and it'll be coming at you very soon. So in honor of me leaving for London in 7 hours, great. Mom, I have to pack. I'm just kidding, I already packed, but did you guys hear that leg slap? Yep, cause I'm naked and you can't even see me. So in honor of me going to London in 7 hours, I just thought, come on, let's do fun things to do on an airplane. What do we have here? Wow, I can get used to this. Put the dark side on iTunes. Howdy, partner. Me. Hi. Did you hear that Facebook bought Snapchat for $1 billion? The hell? I got it in the App Store for free. Excuse me, ma'am, can you please not pass out the peanuts? I have a deathly allergic reaction. Okay. Wow, that's a lot of clouds. Oh, that's a selfie. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, back to the clouds. Siri, open Afterlight and Facetune because those clouds are looking ratchet. Wait. This isn't fun. Hold on, girl. Someone wants me. Do one of y'all click that button? Who clicked the button? Whatever, I'm gonna go back to talking Felicia.
Enough is enough! I have had it with these motherfucking snakes on this motherfucking plane! Everybody strap in! I'm about to open some windows.
That was a good movie. What's that on my leg? What is that on my leg? Where can I buy these boys? I want them now. Okay everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video of fun things to do on the plane. To be honest, there's some things on there that you probably shouldn't do, but it's funny and fun, so I did it. If you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, thumbs up. My Twitter and Instagram are below if you want to see my sexy selfies and personal tweets. By the way, I'm going to London for DigiFest UK. What? So, maybe I'll see you there. Or no. No, that was like last week. That was so last week. Okay, bye.